Hello friends and our family. Welcome to Dictionary Learning. Today we are going to listen an amazing story of a boy or a person named Sanju who struggled with English but never gave up. His journey is proof that hard work and consistent learning can change lives. Let's explore the Sanju's struggle and determination. Sanju was a curious boy and a bright student in the 7th or 8th standard. But English felt like a difficult subject for him. He often found himself confused by new words and felt shy speaking in English or even a regional language. Before moving on to the 9th standard, Sanju traveled to Gujarat to help run his father's shop. This was new experiences for him as he had to interact with many people. Here is the turning point. One day, while working at the shop, his father said to him, Sanju, whenever a customer comes to our shop, you must serve them properly and offer our product with respect. And his father walked away from him. Sanju had never heard before that, so he didn't fully understand the word customer. He realized it is important. The customer meaning was coming in his mind, a person who is VIP, very important person like policeman, officers, advocate, blah blah in that time. After some times, a customer came to his shop and then he served a pan to the customer and waiting for other customers. After 5 to 7 minutes, his fathers came to him and asked that, Sanju, any customer came to you? Sanju, no papa. His father, no one came to you? Sanju, no papa, but a grahak came to me and I served them a pan. After that, his father smiled and explained the word customer. Customer is a person who buys something from a shop or business. Both are same meaning, Sanju. That simple meaning sparked his curiosity. So Sanju asked his brother for the confirmation. Bhaiya, what does customer mean? Got him same answer. He returned home with his father and completed his 9th or 10th standard. During this period of time, many words had confused them. His story still didn't end there. His journey took him to different jobs, new experiences, and learning English in Devghar both online and offline. Now, Sanju overcame the challenges based on his worked years of experiences. Now, this is the Sanju who is speaking in front of you and camera with confidence, without hesitation and silence. So we have committed to ourselves, English should not be an obstacle in one's path. That's why we have started the spoken English classes. Classes begin on March 3, 2025. Time 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Address Rajon Smart Classes between Shiva Temple and Hanuman Temple. You can check the address on the Google Map. Fees 499 per month. Admission fee 149. You are lucky because you have an opportunity to remove obstacles from your path. Join our spoken classes. Seats are limited, so book yours today. Secure your seat or position easily with online payment. Scan the QR code or contact us at 72056 06318 to register. Keep learning. Thank you.